What if just one of these 5 cryptocurrencies becomes the biggest winner this week? With Bitcoin holding strong and altcoins showing renewed momentum, now could be the perfect time to update your watch list. Stay until the end because our final pick might surprise you. Welcome back to Crypto Meridian, your trusted source for crypto market insights, trending coins, and smart investing ideas. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. And our number one pick is Bitcoin, currently trading near $62,518.91. Bitcoin remains the market leader, and strong institutional demand continues to support its long-term trend. If Bitcoin breaks above its current resistance, the entire crypto market could move higher alongside it. Our runner-up is Solana, trading around $71.62. Solana remains one of the strongest ecosystems for DeFi, NFTs, and meme coins. As network activity increases, SOL continues to be one of the top cryptocurrencies to watch. Taking the third spot is XRP, priced at approximately $1.05. XRP continues to benefit from strong payment network adoption and positive market sentiment. If trading volume continues to rise, XRP could see another leg higher. At number 4 is SUI, currently trading near $0.6772. SUI remains one of the fastest-growing Layer 1 blockchains with expanding DeFi activity and increasing developer interest. A breakout above key resistance could attract even more buyers this week. Starting at number 5 is Chainlink, trading at around $8.01. Chainlink continues to dominate the Oracle sector, and growing institutional adoption keeps demand strong. If the overall market stays bullish, Link could push toward its next resistance level. So this week's top 5 crypto coins to watch are Bitcoin, Solana, XRP, SUI, and Chainlink. Which one are you most bullish on? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next crypto opportunity. Thanks for watching Crypto Meridian, and we'll see you in the next video.